my antibacterial foaming hand soap. So what you're going to need for this is Castile soap. Any kind will do. We have Dr. Bronner's here, household favorite. We use them for laundry, body wash, the list goes on and on. So we've got the Big Eye here, and it is in a citrus scent, but a non-scent or any scent will do. Thieves, 10 drops, and as you know from several other posts that I've done, Thieves has a lot of disinfectant and antibacterial benefits. So you want to have 10 drops of that in. Then with the lemon and orange, you're going to want to do 4 drops of each. You don't have to add an orange. I did because of the fact that we're doing a citrus scent. I wanted to add some more citrus to it, and orange also has many disinfectant benefits. And then lemon has antifungal benefits. It also has a fresh scent, so it's going to make you feel invigorated and things like that. So all the essential oils that are in here, and then a 1/3 cup of the Castile, and then you're just going to be filling the rest up with water. And I bought these containers on Amazon. It was a 6-pack, and they're all reusable. They are, you know, very generic look, so you don't have to worry about them not meshing with your bathroom or, you know, the color of your walls or anything like that. And then you just shake it up, and there you go. Antibacterial foaming hand soap that you can reuse and make at home. Have a great day.